Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today's video. And if you're returning, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name's Olalia. As you can see by the thumbnail, I'll be sharing 7 barrel jeans outfit that you need to try. These outfits, they're ideally for dinner date, movie night, drinks with friends, whatever you need, I've got you. And yes, we are styling my ride or die pair from River Island. These dark blue barrel jeans, I've had them for over a year. They are lightweight, all season, and honestly, they never disappoint. Let me show you how to make them work for everyday vibe. Okay guys, let's jump into the first outfit. The first outfit is with this gorgeous 100% linen blazer from Massimo Dutti. I've had it for a year and a half and I love the color. I love the fit of this blazer. I always bring it out for spring and summer. It just fits the season perfectly. And this blazer is just so gorgeous. As you can see, I'm styling with the barrel jeans and the blazer, and also I've got this little cami underneath. This cami is from Marks Spencer. It has a bra built in. I do have it in 2 color, having white as well. And I just love this outfit. Casual, but you look put together. This outfit could take you from a drink to the girls, cinema, and also for shopping. It's very easy when you're trying on clothes. It's very easy to just take on a blazer and then check another blazer if you want to buy another blazer. It fits for all these kind of occasion. I love this blazer. So guys, you let me know what you think of this first fit. Just so simple. And the barrel jeans as well, like I mentioned before, it has no belt. It has no zip. And it has no button, but it has this elastic band at the back which keeps the trousers on, and also when you're putting it on you can stretch it. It will come up quite easily as well. So this is the first fit. You guys let me know what you think of the first outfit for these barrel jeans. So let's move on to the next outfit. The next outfit is a little bit like a street kind of style. I'm styling the barrel jeans with this gorgeous faux suede jacket from Marks Spencer. It's like a cropped kind of jacket. I love the color. And also I'm styling with my boots for also Marks Spencer. I've had those for years. I don't think that Marks Spencer has any boots like that anymore, but I love them. They're really strong. And Marks Spencer's clothes, they last forever. And this is also Marks Spencer item, and I love the way these turned out. And also I've checked in my hat from I think it's from H&M, that hat. I love that hat. Obviously my hair is a bit bigger, but trying to squeeze it in, as you guys can see, just for the styling purpose. It looks amazing, and I just love the casual feel of this outfit, and it's very street style. It's easy. It's something I wear the weekend, go to the cinema, just go and grab a coffee with friends. It looks so nice and stunning. So this is another outfit I'm styling, my barrel jeans. So let's move on to the next one. Okay guys, the next outfit is with this gorgeous blazer from H&M, another blazer. I love blazers, guys. So this one I've had for a while as well. I love that it's pinstripe, and it's like a grey and navy blue kind of, and I love it. It's double breasted, and I just didn't want to wear the blazer like that, so I thought I cinch it in with a belt, as you guys can see on the charm portion. And also I'm styling it with a bag and some I think it's black shoes, as you guys can see on the charm portion. I love the fit of this outfit. It just looks amazing. It looks nice. I look put together. This you can take it to work. If you like to wear blazer to work, especially if you work in a corporate, this will look quite nice. And if you don't like the cinched in waist, you can take the belt off as well. I love this. It just makes me look, oh my god, I look like a boss. This looks amazing. And this is the next item. You can wear your barrel jeans with a blazer. This blazer or this one. Love that. So let's move on to the next one. The next fit is with this shirt from Zara, and also these waistcoat from Marks Spencer. I can style it with just the waistcoat or with just the shirt, but I'll decide to put it together, just give you ideas. These two, if it's cold, especially on those days that in springtime it's colder, these will keep you warm. As you can see in the charm portion, I'll put them together, but you can wear them separate with the same barrel jeans, but I just thought I'd put it together. It looks nice, especially for work. You look very put together and you look presentable, and it just looks comfortable as well. And if you get hotter, you can take the waistcoat off and keep the shirt, or vice versa, and just wear the waistcoat by itself. I just love the way these fit. The waistcoats from Marks Spencer and the shirts from Zara. Obviously the barrel jeans I'm styling it is from River Island. I love this outfit as well. So this is another outfit I put together. So let's move on to the next one. The next outfit is a little bit more colorful. I've got this blouse or top from Zara. I've had it for a few weeks. I bought it recently. I just love the color, and also it has shoulder pads, and it just gives you that little bit of a structure on the shoulder. And also I'm styling it with my green shoes. I just want it to be a bit more colorful, and I just inject a bit more color and play with the color. I love the way these turned out with my barrel jeans. I didn't style it with a bag because I wasn't sure what bag to wear it with at the moment, because I didn't want to put any more color. I just wanted to stick to 3 colors. So I don't have an orange bag, I don't have a green bag, and the blue bag I have is just a bit too big, so I just kept it without a bag. Hopefully, I think I'm gonna be, now I know that I need like a green bag or blue bag, or even like an orange bag. So this is one of the things that it helps when you're doing this in your wardrobe. You know, you can see gaps in your wardrobe. So this is another outfit, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked this one. So let's move on to the next one. The next item I used to style the barrel jean is this waistcoat, Asymmetric waistcoat from Zara. I have them in 2 colors. I got a black one, and I got this ecru color, like off-white. This one I bought in Spain, and this one was cheaper than my black one, which I bought here. And so this looks amazing. You can wear it unbuttoned, and you can wear it buttoned up, and you can also style it with a shirt underneath. And I just love the simplicity of this. And if you can see the charm portion, I'll style it with a pair of shoes, and also you can style it with trainers, especially if you wear it open, just give it a bit more casual feel for this outfit. As you guys can see, let me know what you think of this one. And this is another way you can style your barrel jeans. Let's move on to the next item. The next fit is with this H&M striped jumper. I've had this for a while. I bought it on sale for $9.99, I think. And you can see in the charm portion, I checked in my boots from Stephen Madden. They also like a off-white, and also a hat. I put on a hat, as you guys can see, and I just wanted to carry on that street style, which I love, especially on the weekend. I just love comfortability of this outfit. It feels really nice. The boots are not too, they are kind of chunky, so they're not too hard to walk. It's very comfortable as well. You can walk in the whole day. If you're going shopping, going to meet your friends, you go to the cinema, you go for a meal with anybody, this is a nice outfit. You look casual, but you look put together. Very clean. I love this outfit. So this is another outfit I put together. You guys let me know what you think about this one. I did also style my barrel jean with a shirt. This one's from Massimo Dutti. I've had it for a while, and I love the way this shirt's, the way it washes. When I wash it, it's just so easy to dry, and also the color, it washes quite well as well. And this is just so nice. It's so what am I gonna say? This is so nice. It's so light as well for spring and summer, and also it looks amazing with my dark denim. It's just so beautiful. And this, you can style it up with a pair of trainers, you can style it up with a pair of heel, or you can style it down with a pair of trainers. It will look amazing, especially for spring and summer. This with a nice big bag, going shopping, it just looks stunning. I love the way this shirt and the trousers come together. So this is another item I use to style my barrel jeans. The next outfit is also casual. I just thought I'll check in a little bit of color. This t-shirt is also from Zara. It was on sale. I've had it for a while. I had a white one. I have a white one as well. I love this outfit. This t-shirt is very light also for spring and summer. And with the dark denim jeans, my barrel jeans with this color, it goes amazing well. So I just decided to chuck in another red color with the shoes, and it just looks so nice and casual, but it looks put together. I really love the casual aspect of my dress sense. I just love to look comfortable. I don't want to make my outfit look so complicated, and if you wear outfit I don't feel comfortable in, there's no point wearing it. So this is another outfit I created. If you just want something, grab in all your wardrobe and go, put in a heel. If you put in a heel, you just elevate your outfit a little bit. So with those, they are kind of small heels, a kitten heel. It looks quite nice, and also because you matching your shoes to your t-shirt, it looks like you made an effort. Even though you just grab it in the wardrobe and you're ready to go, but it looks like you made an effort. So this is another outfit I put together. You guys let me know what you think. The next outfit is with this Zara Varro full leather jacket. I love this jacket. I wear it quite often. It looks amazing. It's very casual but very, very, very nice. I love the way they come together, and I'm styling this jacket. I just kept my Mark Spencer's vest. This vest, it has a built-in bra, like I said before, and I have them in 2 colors. So I'm styling the barrel jeans with this jacket. It looks amazing. This jacket, you can wear it open, you can wear it closed, you can fold it up a little bit. It's just, there's so many ways you can wear this jacket. With the barrel jeans, it looks amazing. As you guys can see, very casual but very put together. I think I'm more into casual dressing. I'm not into very sexy dressing. I like to cover up. I like big clothes. I don't like to wear clothes that are too fitted. So this is kind of my kind of style. So this is another way of styling my barrel jeans with this jacket. So you guys let me know what you guys think. Let me know, please. Let me know if you like what I'm doing here. If not, I want to hear everything, either positive or negatives. You guys let me know. If you like it, you don't like it, how would you style this barrel jeans? You can give me your days as well. So this is another outfit I put together. So let's move on to the next one. Like I said, I do have a lot of blazers, and with my barrel jeans, I did style it in the past with this blazer as well. And today I did try it with this blazer and also a shirt from Zara, as you can see on the trial portion. I love this blazer. I've had this for years. This blazer has a button on the golden button on sleeves, and also it's a golden button on here, and it's double bracelet as well. I love the fit. It's quite fitted. Even though it's quite fitted, there's still room, and you can wear things underneath. I love this. And it's green. You know, my favorite color is green. I cannot put a green item for this haul. So this is another item I would style my barrel jeans on a daily basis. I love this. It just elevates. Blazers always elevate. For my opinion, blazers always elevate your outfit. Even if you're wearing a tracksuit bottom, you put a blazer, it will elevate it instantly. So this is another way you can wear your barrel jeans. Okay guys, we're coming to the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for joining me today. And if you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and consider subscribing. And my name is Olalia. And if you guys enjoy this content, please do let me know, so I'll be able to create more content like this. I did not go shopping. I've used everything that I already have in my wardrobe. So I want you guys to do that as well. We're trying to save ourselves some money, and I'm trying to help to save some money as well. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in today. Like I said, comment below, let's chat and let me know what you guys prefer. So this is the end of the video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.